In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Wikipedia app on Android. If you want quick, reliable access to articles from your phone, the official Wikipedia app makes it simple. It's completely free, ad-free, and gives you access to more than 40 million articles in over 300 languages, all in a clean, mobile-friendly experience. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android device. This is the official app marketplace for Android, and it's the safest place to get the real Wikipedia app. Once the Play Store is open, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. Type the word Wikipedia and then look through the results. You want the app labeled Wikipedia from the developer Wikimedia Foundation. That developer name is important because it confirms you're getting the authentic app from the organization that runs Wikipedia. If you see multiple results, choose the one that clearly shows Wikimedia Foundation and the familiar W icon. You can also tap into the app page to read the description and reviews if you want extra confidence you're on the official listing. When you're on the Wikipedia app page, tap Install. The download will begin right away. Depending on your internet connection, it may take a few moments. You'll see a progress bar, and when it finishes, the button will change to Open. Go ahead and tap Open to launch the app immediately. That's all you need to get Wikipedia on your Android phone. From here, the app will guide you through its clean interface so you can start searching, reading, and switching languages as needed. It's a streamlined way to browse articles without distractions, and it works well whether you're casually looking something up or doing deeper reading. A couple of important tips before we wrap up. Always download the Wikipedia app from the Google Play Store. This helps you avoid fake or lookalike apps and ensures you receive updates and security fixes directly from the official source. Remember, the real app is developed by the Wikimedia Foundation, and you'll see that name on the app listing. To recap, open the Google Play Store, search for Wikipedia, select the one by the Wikimedia Foundation, tap Install, wait for it to finish, and then tap Open. With that, you're set to explore a world of knowledge from your Android device, free and ad-free in the language that suits you best. Enjoy your reading, and thanks for watching.